Are you tired of fad diets and looking for effective, natural weight loss solutions? I was once in your shoes. Through experimentation, I discovered a method I call the feed bag. This innovative technique keeps hunger at bay even without proper access to food. While developing this method, I learned the impact of simple ingredients like cinnamon. Just half a teaspoon can help manage blood sugar levels throughout the day. Our exploration involved trial and error, documenting changes to our recipes. Each adjustment revealed what worked and what didn't, leading to effective weight loss strategies. The result of this intense research is the Saturday Morning Diet eCourse. This program offers valuable weight loss tips based on real experiences and results. In addition, we provide weight loss eBooks that empower you to lose weight without relying on drugs. Our guidelines are straightforward and rooted in natural solutions. Now, you have the tools to embark on your weight loss journey. It's time to transform your health naturally. Check out our courses and eBooks today. Start your path to a healthier you.